Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you all doing? I am at my third mining location, and this is my brother's place. And as you guys can see here, we got some insane toys and models here. Look at all these Transformers, guys. Look at that, look at that. There's Optimus Prime right there. I believe these are all Autobots. I don't know what their names are, but these are freaking cool, man. Let me know down in the comments if some of you guys can name these. Look at this guy. Look at this thing. So cool. And then we got the Decepticons on this side. Look at that. I believe Megatron is right there. Old school Megatron. Look at that. So cool. So cool. And then what else we got? Oh, I wanted to show you guys here. This is the tumbler from Batman. You guys know what that is, right? Look at this. This thing is super cool. This is a 1/6 scale of the tumbler. You guys probably seen the Batman movies. Really cool. And then another thing I want to show you guys, which is really awesome, is Robocop. Do you guys know what this is? Look at this thing. Look at this guy. This is the Enforcement Droid 209. Check that out. This thing is just so sick, guys. Look how detailed that is. Look at that. Look at that. Underneath his arm. Look at his legs. Oh man, this is the coolest thing. Oh, this is the one of the Batman's bikes. I forgot the name. Really cool, guys. Look at all this stuff. And then my brother's got some more stuff over here. Star Wars stuff at the top. That's good old BB-8. And this is a Slave 1. I got the name right here. You guys can see that. Oh, he's got some BMW model there. And then he's got a X-Wing, the infamous X-Wing. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? He's got some Toyotas and a TIE Fighter right here, infamous TIE Fighter. Just beautiful, just beautiful. So, the reason why I am here is because of this mining rig right here. It has fallen off, and look at that. It's still running though. It has fallen off because it was zip tied from here, and it looked like it just snapped and came off and fell down right there. So I'm here to fix that. Thankfully, it didn't hit the CPU fan by the looks of it. Yeah, it's literally resting on the CPU cable that goes into the motherboard, which is quite amazing. And as you guys know, this is the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. This board has been rock solid. This whole rig has been going non-stop for about 2 years now. Yeah, 2 years. And yeah, this is a 12 card rig and full of GTX 1060 6GB cards with two 850 watt power supplies. And the whole system wattage of this thing is about 1,050 watts, according to the TP-Link, the CASA enabled app. That's what we use. And you guys can see here the mega hash. It's at 280, 279 mega hash, about 23.3 mega hash per GTX 1060. And yeah, this rig has been the most reliable rig I've ever made. And it's funny because it's been running off this Amazon Basic shelf. We made it on an Amazon Basic shelf, and it's just been solid. It's sitting on this cardboard box here. Yeah, this is one of my favorite rigs, guys. I'm just shocked that this card fell down and the whole rig is still running. That's just mind-blowing to me. That's just mind-blowing to me. Another thing, guys, is you guys are probably asking why, Red Panda, why are you running SATA to PCIe? I thought we shouldn't be running SATA. Well, this is living proof, guys. This rig here is living proof that you can run, depending on the power requirements of the video card. Especially these 1060s, they're such low power, and I'm running them low power limit, so around 60, 65 power limit. I'm running the 2 SATA adapters off one SATA cable, one power supply cable. So each power supply, 850 watt, I'm running 3 SATA cables, and then on each of those SATA cables there's 2 risers on each of them. I'm able to run that. So I would never recommend running GTX 1070s or 1080s. Anything higher than a 1070 I wouldn't run on SATA. I would always run at least Molex or PCIe, which is this adapter. I would be using this adapter for the riser if it was a 1070, 1080, or 1080 Ti, or RX 570 or RX 580. Always run Molex or PCIe for those. But 1060 and lower SATA is totally fine in my opinion. I've been running them for about 2 years. No issues. So people claiming that SATA cannot be used for video cards, it really depends which cards you're running them on, and yeah, all that good stuff. So take a look at that, guys. I've had this rig there. I can probably do some better cable management, but it's been like this for a long time, so it's been no problem. And as you guys can see here, we got the motherboard, and I've electrical taped all of the PCIe 1 adapters to USB so that they don't short themselves by touching each other, because they're so close together, right? So make sure I know a lot of you guys have done that as well. I've seen RigPics of you guys also done the same thing. So yeah, so what we're gonna do today, we're also gonna dust this rig out, because it's been about 2 years since I've ever done any dusting, and it's got a few black dust on it, and we're gonna take a look at that, and then we're gonna put this card back up to here, just zap strap it. I'll probably put an extra zap strap on that one just in case, and see if there's any other zap straps we have to take a look at. And yeah, so I'll be right back. We'll move to the porch and give this thing a good blowout. Alright guys, I'm just putting the card on. So here it is. Ooh, can't believe it fell off. Alright, so I'm just gonna do one zap strap here. And let's bring it up here. Alright, that's good. Okay, I don't have my regular X power blower, but this is a Hurricane canless air system battery powered rechargeable air blower. Alright, so let's go. Let's start with this card. That's dusty. Oh no, it's dying. It's already dying. No. Pretty dusty. It's been 2 years. Alright, I gotta give this thing a charge. Alright, so that didn't last too long. I came in and it wasn't charged, so... Alright guys, my brother gave me this dust off compressed air, so we don't have to wait. So we're just gonna go ahead and use it for the rest of the rig. We're just gonna go through the whole thing again. Alright, even more dust. Alright, let's go through the next card. Oh, it's dusty. All right. Okay guys, that's it. Let's put the rig back in. Alright guys, I got the card back in. This whole rig is back in its spot. Perfect. And guess what we got sitting on top of it? Look at this thing guys, this thing is so beautiful. Okay, but just confirming, it is back mining on SMOS right now at 280 mega hash, and yeah, this rig is gonna be sitting here for a next long time, probably a long time. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think, especially let me know what you think about this guy and all of these wonderful transformers that you guys saw in the beginning of the video. And of course, the Tumbler, Batmobile. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.